morning everyone, and today is the Sunday the 17th of March. So we've finished our stay here at the Premier Inn in Redditch. I think it's the one that's west. Let me check. Yeah, so it's the Premier Inn Redditch West, and Troy has just gone down to take the rest of our bags down to the car, and we are checking out today. So today we were kind of hoping to do something on the way back up to Glasgow, so we are gonna go via the Lake District. Depending on the weather, it's supposed to be pretty rainy and horrible, but it breaks up the drive a little bit, so we'll probably go that way. We were looking to go to like Alton Towers or something, but it's closed, and Blackpool's looking to be like pretty torrential today, so we won't be doing that. So we thought we'd just give you a little bit of a quick room tour. So here's the door. We're in room 20, which is got a fan. There's no air conditioning in this hotel either. Hangers a bit up here to like a bit more storage. We've just chucked the jackets here, and then there's more storage as well here, and then the bathroom is here. So we've got a bath. The shower is actually pretty good, and toilet and sink and mirror, and it's pretty small in here, so yeah. I hear an intruder. I hear an intruder.
Hello.
And it's actual room keys as well. It's not like the fancy boop, it's an actual key. Yeah, so you have this magnificent 22-inch TV, I would say.
Probably
If that. Yeah. The beds are super king, which is really comfy, as all Premier Inn beds are. You have a chair and some more drawers, tea and coffee making stuff, a hairdryer, the heating, and a lot of space here. And we've got not a great view, but yeah, you can kind of see some of the park there, or whatever it may be. I don't actually know. We're gonna go get a Starbucks for breakfast. And we need to get gas, so yeah, we will see you soon.
Is it like district?
Yes. Windermere in the Lake District, and we're going for a wander to stretch our legs. You can't really see much right now, but this thing looks really cool. It's like a high ropes thing for kids, and then Troy like spotted a trampoline park over here too, which looks fun. So we're gonna throw all the kids off that and go do that, okay?
Yep. I don't know where I'm going.
Straight up where that sign is. So this must be like the high ropes kind of thing. Troy would so do it. Troy wouldn't. Troy would crap himself before he got to the top. Much fun.
I'm gonna head down to the lake shore and the jetty in the Lake District, and thankfully it's actually dry. But clay shooting, that'd be pretty cool to do. It's laser clay though, it's not actual. Well, they should have got quite a few activities to do it.
So Papa, go home, you're through. Mr. Ryle, go man. I love you.
You don't need to, hen. I'm already a man.
No, I'll make a man of you. I'm not gonna lie.
I will make a man out of you, my dear.
We can go that way.
From scenario to scenario. So
Emma. Look, there's a big flying fox over there.
Oh yeah, Beatrix Potter is that rabbit. I can't remember. I never rabbit.
Oh.
Yeah. That's what it's from.
Is that his big house?
Must be. Is it watership down?
An eagle.
Holy cheese balls, Batman, it's cold.
It is pretty chilly. That water's quite high, eh? You wouldn't even be able to get in your boat, man. Look how high it is on those buildings. Imagine there's like boats in that. There's a wee path there.